how to move buildings and objects in KlonDike Adventures. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily move your buildings and objects in the KlonDike Adventures game. First of all, launch open KlonDike Adventures game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap and hold on any building or object you want to move. After selecting the object, you'll be able to see menu at the bottom. To move the object to a desired position, drag it around the screen and place it in your desired area. Once you do that, click on the tick mark. You can also move the positioning of your buildings. In the same way, press and hold the building you want to move or place it elsewhere, and then drag it after it is highlighted. You can rotate the object by tapping on this blue loop icon, and now go ahead and find the area you want the building to be located in. If you see a green highlighted guide like this, then it means the object or building can be placed in this area right here. After you see this green highlight, tap on the green tick mark at the bottom, and there you have it. That is how you can move the object or a building to a new location on KlonDike Adventures. Rearranging one building or two may free up space for decorations or resource buildings. So there you have it. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.